Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will give you some tips on how to use Monday for your own business, which is a very useful platform and it is one of the best CRM platforms in the market. Let me show you how you can find your archive on monday.com. Once again, you click on your profile icon, you will find archive. Here you can access to your own archive. Now let's try to archive something. Let's go to our workspace. Let's archive this board we've been working on. All you have to do is go to the board, click on the 3 points, you will find archive. Our board has been successfully archived. Now you go to archive. Here you can find the board. You can either view it or restore it. Now we have finished answering the questions we have received about monday.com. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and share your comments below. And for more business ideas, you can watch any of the other videos. Feel free to share your inquiries related to monday.com below to answer them in our next video.